Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought we would check out a couple of the new Colourpop items that are being sold at Target. When I saw this in my What's New in Makeup, I was thrilled because Colourpop is a fantastic company. I like so many of their products. They are affordable and now they are accessible. I shop at Target all of the time. This is great. I will have the new items that I'm trying listed in the description box below, and of course the brand new items that I'm playing with today. So if that sounds like fun, let's get into it. The eyeshadow palette that I picked, they had some different themed colors. I picked up this one. It says right on the package, Colourpop for Target, and it is called Truly Iconic. I was very drawn to these cool toned shades. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you. This is the first time that I am opening it. Packaging is a little bit different than what you would typically see at Colourpop, but it's got some really cool silvers, a champagne, a pretty neutral, a black. This just has everything that I like in an eyeshadow palette. This black is Let's Do It. Next we have Ice Rink, which is a deeper champagne. Next we have Mashup, Mariposa, Also Me, Girlfriend, So Bored, and this is the only one I had to go in twice with. Haha, my watch is covering it. This is Beluga, and then this top one is called Refill. I love the shades in this palette. I think the one that I'm most drawn to is this Mariposa. That is just, it was so glittery in the pan. So my eyes are primed. I'm gonna go into this Essence Eye Blender brush, and I think I'll go into Girlfriend first, just as a nice transition. Looks like my eye primer creased a little bit. That's okay. Just tap that in. I still love you, Jason Wu. Going in with Girlfriend again. It's a pretty, I would call it a cool mauve brown. Easy. Just for giggles, I'll make sure my brush is tapped off and go into So Bored. And just go right over the edges, just to help it blend. It's almost my skin tone. Very nice. I'm gonna go into this e.l.f. This is their Detail Crease brush. I'm gonna start with Girlfriend, and if I add more, we might just do that. You know I gotta try the black, so I'm gonna go into the black. Let's say a little prayer that I do not have crazy fallout. I'll go into my BH pencil brush, and I'm gonna tap into that, and I'm gonna be careful. This is the shade Let's Do It. Looks pretty good. I'm going in slowly and building up. All right, that applied very nicely. I feel like I have to play with this Beluga. It looks like an icy silver with blue in it. Oh my. Oh my. That is nice. Just sort of tapping and pushing it onto my eyelid. Wow. That's pretty. Got a little bit messy up in the crease, so I'm going to go back into Girlfriend. Just sort of blend. That was that first shade. Sort of marries everybody together. Ooh, I like that. And I got to play on the bottom. I'm going to take a little bit of that Let's Do It, which is the black, on that BH brush, the original brush for the black, and just go on the outer corners here. This ice rink right here looks like it could be a good color. It looks a little more champagne-y. That's for another look. Let's go into Mashup. That's going to go along with the cool tones that we've going on. Let's put Mashup right here in that outer corner and help it blend into that icy blue silver Baluka. On the other side, and sort of blending it into Baluka. And if you feel you've gone too far, go back into Baluka and go back over that way. We're just meshing. Very nice. I'm going to take a little bit of that Mashup and put it on the bottom as well. Back into that BH brush. And I am going to wet it with a little bit of Milani. That's nice. Nice. I'm going to throw on some liner and mascara and I'll be right back and we'll play with some lips. I'm back, little liner and mascara, and yes, I like it a lot. I think it's very bright, it's very pretty. I'm impressed. And I can't wait to try more looks with this palette. I'm kind of sorry I didn't do 2 looks for you. I apologize. I really thought this would be a little more of a one-trick pony, like a cool tone look. You could choose silver, you could choose pink, but there's a lot more options in here. Like I said, this Mariposa just has my heart. I love this color. It just looks so stinking pretty. That is just pulling me in, that pretty purple. So that's another cool tone look, but there's a lot of warm tones in here. This pretty champagne right here, Refill, and then also Ice Rink is on the warm tone side. So you've got that, and that's a little more taupey. So with that black and that Girlfriend and this here, I think you have a few different looks that you can do with this palette, and I am liking it. So make sure you comment below if you want to see another tutorial, another playtime with this Colourpop truly iconic palette. I dig it. I also picked up the In the Nudie lip pencils. I am very picky about my lip pencils and very frugal with my lip pencils. I will not spend a lot of money on them, and right now I almost exclusively use Colourpop and Morphe. So I was happy to pick these up. They are some nude shades. I will go ahead and swatch them for you. Here we have Hella, which is a nice brown, right up my alley. Next is Good and Plenty, which is a more pinkier tone. A warm pink is what it looks like to me. And then the last one is called, oh no, the last one is broken. Love Bug has no top. That is really weird. Let me try to sharpen it. That is so weird. I must just have like a defect. There's nothing in there. It is completely empty. I would be really sad if the Hella one looked like that, but maybe for today's look we will use the Good and Plenty because I have a mauve lip picked out. I like it, and not sponsored, but if you do not have the Target app, make sure you have the Target app and order on there, because anytime I've ever had a problem with something defective or something not working and I reach out to Target, they are so good about working with me. So I'm gonna let them know about that defective lip liner. I grabbed this is one of my favorite Sephora liquid lips in shade 23. I love their liquid lip stains. And there we have it. I am all about it. These were great. I was worried that if Colourpop went into Target, especially creating their own line, would the formula change? And from my humble opinion, I do not believe so. It is a fantastic formula that I am used to. This shadow went on super easy, great. I love all the shades. They swatched fabulously. The lip liners, we had a little bit of a hiccup. That is okay. Just a reminder, I will have all of the makeup that I am wearing on my face listed in the description box below, as I always do. I am using a lot of my chopping block items. So I tried a little something new with my blush today. Let me know what you think. I have a lot of matte blushes that I really enjoy. I've been sort of pulling away from highlighter. I don't love the way that highlight looks on the top of my cheeks with my more mature skin. However, I've been loving glowing blushes. I have the one from Sephora collection that I love so much. I have a couple. Well, I pulled out one of my favorite matte blushes from JCat today. I think it's the Marshmallow. I will post a picture. And I took a little bit of my pink Wet n Wild highlight and I tapped it right over where my blush goes. Not here, across my cheeks, very, very carefully. I have so many blushes and it's just nice to be able to transform it and not have that harsh highlight on the top of my cheeks. Okay, rant over. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I upload videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. If you hit that notification bell, you'll get notified every time that I do upload. I love to play with new makeup. I love to play with my existing makeup. I love all things makeup and beauty. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.